Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, revolutionizing aerial photography. Weighing under 249 grams, this mini camera drone offers the freedom of flight without the hassle of registration, making your journey into the skies as seamless as the vistas it captures. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is not just a drone, it's a creative tool that puts control in your hands. With the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the sky is no longer the limit, it's your playground. DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate flying companion that redefines aerial photography. This compact powerhouse, weighing under 249 grams, liberates you from the hassle of registration, offering a seamless, user-friendly experience for adventurers and creators alike. With its cutting-edge features and intuitive design, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is engineered to elevate your aerial footage to breathtaking new heights, all while ensuring safety and ease of use. At the heart of the DJI Mini 4 Pro's capabilities is its stunning 4K 60fps HDR video quality. Capture the world in unparalleled clarity, from the serene beauty of sunrises and sunsets to the vibrant life of night scenes, all without the need for post-editing. This drone is not just about capturing moments, it's about experiencing them in their most vivid form, straight out of the camera. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is not just a drone, it's a creative tool that puts control in your hands. With features like Active Shots 360 DEG, Master Shots, and Quick Shots, capturing professional-grade footage is effortless. Whether you're tracking a fast-paced bike ride or filming a serene landscape, the Mini 4 Pro adapts to your creative needs, making complex shots simple and accessible. With features like Active Shots 360 DEG, Master Shots, and Quick Shots, you can unleash the full potential of your creativity. Capture the world in breathtaking clarity. With the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you can set it and forget. With its omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology, you can fly with confidence knowing that safety is enhanced, making it perfect for both seasoned pilots and first-time flyers. Whether you're exploring vast landscapes or capturing the essence of urban life, the DJI Mini 4 Pro's 20 km FHD video transmission ensures you're always in the moment. Customize your flight with intelligent tracking and let the Mini 4 Pro elevate your aerial photography to new heights. Transform the way you capture the world with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Light in your backpack, but heavy on features. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to uninterrupted creativity. Ready to take your aerial photography to the next level? Fly, capture, and share with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. In the comments, let me know if you would like a step-by-step tutorial. Just type "how to" and I will make a how-to tutorial for the DJI Pro 4. And to get your hands on the DJI Mini 4 Pro or any DJI drone, just tap the link in the description. Elevate your aerial creation with enhanced safety and unmatched quality. The sky is no longer the limit, it's your playground.